Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the something revolutionary electronics and programming for both beginners and experts. It's a board which is most widely used in all our age groups. We are the school students to college students, even in industry persons also use this type of controller. It is known as an Arduino board. Arduino Arduino is an open source electronic platform that makes it easy to create interactive projects. Whether you are building your first robot or an engineer prototyping as a complex systems, Arduino provides the tool you need. In this lectures, we will explore an Arduino board is what is an Arduino board and its futures, types, and why is so popular in the world of electronics. Okay, let's start with the basics. The Arduino board is a microcontroller based platform that allow you to read the inputs like pressing a buttons or sense lights and converts them into outputs such as turning on LED or running a motor. What a Arduino especially is simplicity and versatility. It is a beginner friendly but powerful enough for advanced projects also, and the additionals it has backed by a huge community that constantly share the resource and ideas. There are a lot of inputs and lot of uh, informations available in internets also. Now we see that different types of Arduino boards are available in the market for the various projects based on applications. The first one is the Arduino Uno, the most common and beginner friendly boards perfect for the small projects. And our second one is Arduino Nano boards, a compact version of it's idea for projects with limited space. And Arduino Mega boards also are available. It offers a more memory and pins suitable for larger and more complex projects. And Arduino Duo is based on 32-bit microcontroller. It's faster and more powerful than other models. And the last one is the Arduino Leandros. It can act as a keyboard mouse, making it unique to certain applications. These are the boards available in the market and mostly used of these five boards are mostly used in projects. Yeah, each board has an strength, so the choice depends on your project requirements. What are the applications you have to implement these boards? Based on that, you have to choose these boards. Now we explain the components of Arduino board. The first one we have to see the microcontroller. At the heart of the board is a microcontroller. Usually is a Atmega family like this Atmega 382 in Arduino Uno. The next one is a power supply. It has a USB port for power and programming, and also a DC power jack for external power source also. And third one is the digital inputs and output pins. This pins lets to connect device like LED buttons, motors. Is an it's also known as an IO devices, which are IO devices or peripheral devices. And fourth one is an analog input. This pins reads the analog signals such as those of our temperature sensors. And then the reset button, it allows to reset your program with disconnecting the boards. Whenever you have to disconnect the boards, you have to press the reset button. And sixth one is one of the onboard LED. Its LED is connected to pin 13, which is greater for testing a simple programs. It's also now like an indication light. These are the these are the major components available in Arduino boards. So the next part of the Arduino is a programming session. It's a it's an open source hardware also. The Arduino boards are open source, means anyone can design and modify them. and also known as a simplify programming device. It's used on Arduino IED, which is easy to learn and based on a C or C++. It is also an affordable controller. It's an inexpensive and make them accessible to students also easily. Widely and compactable is one of the widely compactable, and the software for developing a coding is also on a open source platform. So Arduino IDE works on also Windows, Mac, Linux also, so you can program from almost any devices and any platforms. You can easily install and develop a program for the Arduino board. Next, next we discuss about the applications of Arduino boards. The Arduino is used in countless applications. Whenever you need a controller, you have to use this. And the second one is the home automations, robotics, IoT projects, and integration of Arduino in fitness tracking or interactive designs. And also is used in education purpose. Also, it's widely used in schools and universities to teach the electronics and programming for the students. It's also available for schools levels and college levels and research levels also. So the Arduino have a wide range of applications. The main advantage of this Arduino board is its simplicity and affordability and versatility, which makes a favorite from among the beginners and professionals alike. Whether you have to building a smart homes, creating a robot, or prototype a new inventions, Arduino is a tool you can use easily. Okay, thank you for joining the sessions.